Hello and welcome back to Ruth Finance. Today I'm going to walk you through a realistic and beginner-friendly way that you can earn your first $500 in about 30 days. By creating and selling simple how-to guides on Amazon KDP. What I'm sharing today is a strategy that real people are actually using right now to make consistent income. It's simple, it's repeatable, and best of all, you don't need a professional writer, a designer, or a tech expert. We'll be using a tool called Designrr to create a professional how-to guides in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to find profitable topics, how to create your ebooks quickly, and how to publish it on Amazon KDP so it can start selling. So if building a real passive income stream sounds good to you, stick with me until the end of this video. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Let's start with why how-to guides are perfect, especially if you're just getting started. First, people are constantly searching for solutions every single day. When someone wants to fix a problem or learn a new skill and need simple how-to guides, they go straight to Amazon and type things like how to train a puppy, how to start a vegetable garden, or how to organize a small closet. These aren't random searches. These are people actively looking for answers and willing to pay for those answers. Second, how-to guides are short and focused. You're not writing a 300-page novel. Most successful how-to guides are around 10 to 20 pages, and that means you can create one in a few hours instead of spending months. And here's something most people don't realize. Short, specific guides often sell better than long ones. People want quick wins. They want step-by-step instructions that solve one clear problem. Now let's talk about how to actually find a profitable topic. Here is a simple 3-step process. Step 1, go to Amazon and start with a broad category. For example, cooking, gardening, pets, fitness, or home improvement, whatever works for you. Then start typing into Amazon search bar and then pay close attention to autocomplete suggestions. These are goldmine. Amazon is literally telling you what people are searching for right now. Write down anything that looks interesting. Then step 2, click into those topics and look at the books already selling. You're looking for books with a sales rank under about 100,000 but with fewer than 100 reviews. That tells you 2 things. People are buying books on this topic, and the competition isn't completely saturated yet. Then step 3, get more specific. Instead of vegetable gardening, narrow it down to container gardening, raised beds for small spaces, or gardening in hot climates. The more specific you are, the easier it is to stand out. Aim to write down 5 to 10 topic ideas before moving on. The next step is creating your ebook with Designrr. This is where things really speed up. Designrr makes ebook creation ridiculously simple. Even if you've never done this before, it handles all the formatting, layout, and technical stuff so you can focus on the content. These are the 5 simple steps of how to create your how-to guides using Designrr. Step 1, create your content inside Designrr. Once you log into Designrr, click Create New Book. If you already have content in Google Docs, Word, or blog posts, you can import it directly. And if you're starting from scratch, use Designrr built-in AI tool to generate an outline and help you write content. Your goal here is simple: create helpful information that solves one specific problem for the reader. Then step 2, structure your guide the right way. Inside Designrr, organize your content into clear sections. Start with an introduction that explains what the reader will learn and why it matters. Then add a basics sections covering tools, materials, or setup. After that, break the process down into clear step-by-step actions. Keep each step simple and easy to follow. Step 3, add value with visuals and troubleshooting. Next, drop in images, screenshots, or diagrams to make the steps easier to understand. Designrr lets you drag and drop images right into your book. Then add a short chapter on common mistakes and troubleshooting. This is where you really help beginners and make your guide feel premium. Step 4, choose a professional template and format the book. Once your content is ready, select a clean professional template inside Designrr. The software automatically formats everything for you: page layout, fonts, spacing, and a clickable table of contents. This makes your guide look professionally published without any design skills. Then step 5, export and publish. Finally, customize the colors or fonts if you want. Then export in Kindle format. Your ebook is now ready to upload to Amazon KDP and start selling. And if you want to try Designrr yourself, I've included a link in the description that gives you access to a one-time lifetime deal instead of paying monthly subscription. If you plan on creating multiple books, this is one of the best tools you can use. You retain full copyright and complete control over every book you create. You own the content, you decide where it's published, and you're free to sell, edit, or reuse your books however you want. Let's move to the next step, which is uploading to Amazon KDP. Once your ebook is finished, the next step is getting it published on Amazon KDP. Head over to kdp.amazon.com and click Create New Title, then choose Kindle ebook. This is where your listings really matters. Your title should include your main keywords and clearly explain the benefit to the reader, not just the topic. For example, instead of using a vague title like container gardening, a stronger option would be Container Gardening for Beginners, a step-by-step guide to growing vegetables in small spaces. That kind of title tells Amazon exactly who the book is for and tells the buyers exactly what the problem it solves. Your book description works like a sales page, so start by addressing the reader's problem. Explain what they learn, use bullet points to highlight key benefits, and finish with a clear call to action. Next, focus on discoverability and presentation. Amazon gives you 7 keyword boxes, and you should use all of them with full search phrases. Think about what someone would actually type when looking for a solution. Then choose 2 categories where your books fits and where the competition isn't overwhelming. After that, upload your Kindle formatted manuscript and carefully preview it and make sure everything looks clean, your table of content works, and your images display properly. Finally, upload your cover. Keep it simple, clear, and easy to read, even at thumbnail size. Free tools like Canva work perfectly for this. A clean cover with a readable title can make the difference between someone clicking your book or scrolling right past it. The next step is pricing and launching. When it comes to pricing, keep it simple. Set your ebook price between $3.99 and $4.99 because that puts you in Amazon's 70% royalty bracket, meaning you can earn roughly $2.75 per sale. At that rate, reaching $500 in 30 days only requires about 6 sales per day, which is very achievable if you've chosen a topic people are actively searching for. I also strongly recommend enrolling in KDP Select, since it allows you to earn extra income from Kindle Unlimited page reads and gives you access to built-in promotions that can quickly increase your book's visibility. And that's the full process. Find a specific topic, create a helpful how-to guide with Designrr, publish it on Amazon KDP, and launch it strategically. Your first book teaches you the process, your second goes faster. By the time you have 5 or 10 books, this can turn into a real sustainable income stream. If you're ready to get started, grab Designrr using the link in the description where the lifetime deal is still available. Thank you so much for watching Ruth Finance. Please hit the like button so that this video can reach as many people as possible, and subscribe to join the Ruth Finance community where I share real practical ways to make money online. I will see you in the next video.